Okay, like I promised. Well, I went to school today. School was off yesterday. I just thought today would be off again, considering the shooting. But, school today was stupid. But I promised I'd do one video. So, yeah. I was at school today for recess. I'm surprised they even let us out. I'm surprised they even let us outside. Ridiculous. Like over 50 mile an hour gusts. All of the bins, when I was coming back from school, all of the bins on this side of the road were this way. Some of them were up against the house all upside down. Some of them just had their lid flipped off, haha. Ridiculous. And my phone's acting up because the sun farted again. So, yeah. It's ridiculous. Oh yeah, a branch broke over there. It looks like that. It used to carry up all the way through there, and now it's not. I haven't been back here in a while. Whoa. Last night it was nuts, too. Not nearly as bad as it was. Or like in the thumbnail, I took a screenshot last night, and it said what today was going to be. Oh, you hear that? Whoa. There's twigs everywhere. Look at this. It's a mess out here. Ooh. Here it goes. Here it comes. Oh. That thing looked like it was gonna fall on me. Ah! No! I just dropped my phone. I should probably get inside. I'm getting inside. Screw that. No! Part of a solar flare up there. Thank you guys for watching. Okay, so this is an update. After school, 24 hours later, basically. Not windy anymore, but icy as all get out. This has got to be one of the strangest weeks of my life. Look, it's all rainbow over there. Strangest week of my life, I swear. There's a school shooting. There's a warfighter jets flying over our house. A few of them. Whoa! See, look, there's just straight ice everywhere. That's all ice. It's on these steps too. Ow! And I wake up and I think my arm is dead. Just straight up, just my arm is dead. It isn't slick over here, but listen to the grass. It doesn't sound like, it's not supposed to sound like that in the winter. The lakes have lips. It's all here too. It's all, even the grass is slick. This is my dad's van, work van, and stuff. Whoa! You didn't see that. You didn't see that. The trees are crackling. Hear that? The trees are crackling. The van. No, this is the Arlero from 1999 from my grandpa's house. He gave it to me. He gave it to us like 4 years ago, but it works sorta. Except for the window's broken, but look at the window. Look at everything. That bird poop is under that ice. So I'm not scared to touch it. Look at that. I didn't think that would open. Whoa. So yeah, it's a mess today. Look at our butler. It's iced up. He's all crusty. Okay guys, I'm back. Sorry, my phone just shut off because it's at like straight up 7%. It went down to 0. It just teleported down to 0 when I was talking there. But yeah, the flag is ripped over there. You can't see it though. As I was running back, turns out this broke when I put my hand on it. So let's see. Look at that. Ow. Just look at that. Heck. Yeah, it like shatters. Ow. Let's check the trees. Weird, I can hear them crackling. That doesn't make sense. Maybe it's on these. Oh yeah, it's definitely on those. But yeah, thank you for watching this two-part series on crazy weather. That's been bound into one video because, I don't know, I don't like making part 2s. But yeah, thanks for watching.